Ni gikeno kuri ciana ici iria na mawathe ngurani amu mambura maya ma bathaka itinatigwo na thutha kuona MCA wa Mwiki James Boro manyitanire na mutumia wa governor wa kaunti ya Kiambu Susan Wangari ni maratugirwo na iheo mithemba ya irio o undu umwe na mbeca. O magikuruira mambura macio Boro ni arabangire ciana ici motungata ma urigitani o undu umwe na gucocorwo mĩĩrĩ yao niguo kumihe hinya.
Tumeamua kuwa tutaweza kuempower hawa watu wa disabled sababu kwa mara mingi hawana sauti na hawawezi kusikika. So sisi kama county kuna kama hii pesa ya jijenge ambayo imekuja ambayo tumeweka kitengo fulani hawa watu na groups zao zile ambazo wameregister individual wataweza kukuwa empowered na waanze mabiashara zao. Na pia tunawafunza mambo ya therapy ambayo insist kwa hospitali zetu waweze kuangaliwa kimakini sababu ni watu wanahitaji usaidizi mingi sana pande ya mambo ya therapy.
Wangari ni agathĩrĩirie itacokia rĩrĩ kurioretie wandingi guothe bũrũri-inĩ cigie na kanyata kau ga kũhumba ciana ta icio na gĩkeno na njĩra gũcicerera na gũcituga.
Me as the mother of the county, I was to come and also assist Mheshimiwa Kidim on the challenges that these mothers undergo with their children and also advise, because at times we realize people don't get services because they don't have the knowledge of what they are supposed to get or what they are supposed to benefit from the county or from the government. And so when we come in, it is for us also to take up the responsibility of educating them on the services that they can attain from the county government and the government as a whole.
Area yani manyitete mbaru mubango wa gwaka nyũmba nene na thibitarĩ ya kũrigita ciana ici iria irĩkuaga namba nene ya ciana ta icio. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, ngetwo Waithira wa Kihara.